Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is k plus 200 raised to the power of 3 plus k. This is equal to 22. What are the values of k? So let's provide a solution from here. Now the first step is that we can let k plus 200 be equal to u. So we have k plus 200 is equal to u. So this is to mean that k is equal to u subtract 200. Now, let's express this equation here in terms of u, so that we have u to the power of 3 plus k, which is u minus 200. This is equal to 22. Now, this is u to the power of 3 plus u minus 200. Let's take 22 on the left hand side minus 22. This is equal to 0. So this is u to the power of 3 plus u minus 200 minus 22. This is minus 222. This is equal to 0. So we have u to the power of 3 plus u minus 222, which is minus 216. Subtract 6. This is equal to 0. Now we have u to the power of 3 minus 216, which is minus 6 to the power of 3, then plus u minus 6. This is equal to 0. Now, u to the power of 3 minus 6 to the power of 3. This is the difference of two cubes expressed as a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, which we can express as a minus b. A to the power of 2 plus ab plus b to the power of 2. Applying this identity, then here we have u, subtract 6, u to the power of 2 plus 6u, then plus 6 squared, which is 36, then plus u minus 6. This is equal to 0. If we check here, u minus 6 is common, so we can factor out u minus 6 into the parentheses. This is u to the power of 2 plus 6u plus 36 plus 1. This is equal to 0. Now, we have got u minus 6. This is u to the power of 2, then plus 6u, then plus 36 plus 1, this is 37, and this is equal to 0. We have got two parts here. We have u minus 6, this is equal to 0, and we have u to the power of 2 plus 6u plus 37. This is equal to 0. So from the first part here, we have u is equal to 6. And if you recall, we have seen that let k plus 200 be equal to u. So this implies that k is equal to u minus 200. Since we have u is equal to 6, this means that k1 is equal to 6 minus 200, and this is equal to minus 194. So we have k1 is equal to minus 194, and this is a real solution from here. Let's proceed to the second case here. This is a quadratic equation. Now let's deal with case 2. We have a quadratic equation which is u to the power of 2 plus 6u plus 37. This is equal to 0. This quadratic equation, we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, and c is equal to 37. So we can solve for k2, k3 by applying the quadratic formula here. Let's solve for, this is u2 and u3. u2 and u3. by applying the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. So u2 comma u3, this is equal to minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 6 to the power of 2 minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is that 7, divided by 2 times a, which is 1. So this implies that here we have minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 6 squared, which is 36, subtract 4 times that 7, and this is actually equal to 148 divided by 2. So here we have minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 36 minus 148. This is minus 112 divided by 2. We have u2 comma u3. This is equal to minus 6 plus or minus. We can express the square root of minus 112 as the square root of 16 times 7 times minus 1 divided by 2. So that now this is minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 16, this is 4. Square root of minus 1, this is I, then square root of 7, everything here, divided by 2. In the numerator here, 2 is common. We can factor out 2. Minus 6 divided by 2, this is minus 3, plus or minus 4i square root of 7 divided by 2. This is 2i square root of 7. So let's divide both signs here by 2. And this means that u2 comma u3, this is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 2i square root of 7. So we have u2 is equal to minus 3 plus 2i square root of 7, and u3 is equal to minus 3 subtract 2i square root of 7. But if you recall, we have that k is equal to u subtract 200. So k2 will be equal to u2 is minus 3 plus 2i square root of 7 minus 200. And this means that k2 is equal to minus 3 minus 200. This is minus 203 plus 2i square root of 7. Then we have k3 will be equal to u3 is minus 3 subtract 2i square root of 7, then minus 200. And what this means is that k3 will be equal to minus 3 minus 200. This is minus 203 minus 2i square root of 7. So we have two complex solutions here. That is k2, which is minus 203 plus 2i square root of 7, and k3, this is minus 203 minus 2i square root of 7. So these are two complex solutions. These are two complex solutions for this algebra problem.